welcome to the Alcohol Marker Challenge. I hope you're having a great day. So today is a welcome day. Your actual course will start tomorrow, so watch out for your emails every single day. You can also check them out in the Alcohol Marker Facebook group. The email you just received with this video in will have links to everything. It will have all of your coupon codes, all of your links to your trials and all those kinds of things in it. So go check out those videos and all of those links. You can sign up to everything and sign up to the Facebook groups, all those fun things in them, of course. Today we're going to make sure you have everything in your box. If your box hasn't arrived yet, it is on the way. So you can come back to this video and check it out as well. I'm going to tell you anything extra that you might need as well, and there will be links in this video description if you need to grab anything too, and all of those fun things. Plus, stay tuned to the end for a blooper from the first time around that I tried to do this video, and Greg may or may not have interrupted it. So you can check that out at the end for a fun laugh as well. Okay, so once you get your fun Hedgehog hollow box, which will look something similar to this one, you want to open it up, and inside you'll have lots of fun goodies, including your Alex Siberia stamp sets that she designed exclusively for this challenge to stretch out your coloring skills. Let me find my other ones in here as well. We've got another stamp set. So we have one that is blooms with the stem on. We have just the heads of the blooms as well. And you will also have another stamp set, which I think I have been Maddie because she was colouring them the other day. So you'll have this postcard. It tells you should have the bud stamp set and the large blooms stamp set in here as well. So that's in here. So there is just two. Apparently my brain is not on this morning. Then you're going to have 3 sets of alcohol markers. You're going to have the depth and shadows, and then you're going to have a green set. Mine here is the Irish clovers, and then you're also going to have a pink or corals set. The colours may change as we go along in future presentations, so you might have to adapt them, but currently it's the Irish clover and the coral reefs, but it'll be a set of pinks and a set of greens, plus the depth and shadows, which includes your blender, your grey and your black. So you'll have a nice base set always in there. Plus you're going to have your Hedgehog hollow tote for when you go to crops and things. It does fit 12 by 12 cardstock, and then we made sure of that. You can fit your misties in there. You can take it to shows, and there'll be some fun events if we are coming to events and you bring your tote along with you. So always stay tuned to find out about those. You're going to have a selection of envelopes included in your box. There's some more of mine over here. So here's my envelopes. You're going to have a selection of cardstock. So you've got vellum in here, which we're going to practice with. You've got the Tonic Ultra Smooth white cardstock. And then you've got a selection of coloured cardstock for mounting up our projects. We also have our Amalgam Black ink cube, which is amazing. It's one of the best inks out there for working with alcohol markers. You'll have some candy for us to enjoy whilst we are crafting. And then you'll have Nina 110-pound cover, which is super, super thick. It's my favourite for card bases. And you'll have 6 of those, which some we'll use for colouring and some we're going to use for our project as well. So lots and lots of fun things in here. Got this beautiful piece on here, which includes some of the peonies that I've coloured on electronically, sort of a similar thing from the Alex Siberia, the 2 stamp sets as well. So lots and lots of beautiful things in here, huge value in this box. Plus, as I say, check out that video as well, or the email rather, that has all of your links and everything you need to be part of the challenge, and then check out those daily videos. So I will see you tomorrow. I'm super excited to see what we create. Let's get started with our challenge. Have fun, everyone. If you have any questions, you can always respond to those emails. They come through to us, or you can email support@thehedgehoghollow.com. I'm super excited to get started with our challenge. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.